Hello! We are here and we are rounding decimals.
So in the video you just watched, we talked about place value, and that's awesome, good work, but now we're gonna use place value to do some stuff.
Absolutely. And this is really important, like all the way for forever, because if you don't realize or learn how to round correctly now, or if you've not already learned, it's gonna really cause you some goofy problems when you get older. So let's just do it.
Yep.
All right, when you are rounding decimals, the first thing you must do, Miss Benson, is read the question carefully. Very nicely done.
Thank you.
I might even let you read the next one by yourself.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. All right, the next thing we do is
Underline the place value mentioned.
nicely done.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. And what's the third thing we do?
Circle the digit to the right.
That is, it's amazing. It's
Very
like
good
you've
work.
done this before.
I know.
Yes. If the digit to the right is a 0 through a 4, so 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, then the underlined number stays the same.
Yes, that's it.
But if the digit to the right of the underlined number is a 5, a 6, a 7, or 8, or a 9, you gotta bump that underlined number up by 1. Yeah. So could you show us an example?
So this one says round to the nearest 10th. So since it says 10th, then we underline the number in the 10th place, but we circle the number to its right.
Okay.
And this one is the one that makes the decisions.
Absolutely.
So if it's 0 to 4, then we're going to leave this one the same. But if this is 5 to 9, then we got to round it up.
Okay, and that is a 5. So that means you got to bump up that underlying number by 1 and you drop everything else. Okay? So I've seen people that'll round this up to a 5, but then they put the 5, 6, 7 back. No. That circle says from here over, you're not going to use us anymore. You're just going to use us to make a decision, and then you're going to go on.
Yep.
All right, so let's try the next one. Ooh, we have some examples.
We'll explain that.
This is a little boo-boo. No worries about that. Anyway,
Okay, so let's do one more with them, and then they can finish up.
I think that's a great idea.
Okay, let's do
All
it.
right, let's do it.
All right, this one says round 0.531 to the nearest whole number.
Oh, what does it mean when we say to the nearest whole number? That means the nearest 1.
So we're going to underline the ones place and then circle the digit to the right,
All right.
which happens to be a 5. I just kind of smushed it.
Yes. So if it's a 5, that means the underlined one has to go up by 1.
It's going to go up.
That's right.
So
So
it'll
you end
become
up with
1.
1. And the 5, 3, and the 1, they're gone. Once that circled number makes a decision, it takes everybody else with it and goes on vacation. It's a good job. I mean, I'd like to go on vacation.
That sounds pretty nice.
Yeah. All right, so you guys try this one, and this one.
So in your little sheet protector, you have an index card.
Yes, you do.
You don't even have to write the whole problem out. Just write your answer on there. That's fine. But you're going to answer these two on your paper and that one on your index card because we meant to put it there, but we forgot it.
We forgot. We're old. What do you expect from us,
Thank
right?
you very much.
All right, so. Hey, we are back, and we want to see what you were able to do. So we're going to look at that first example. It said round 5.067 to the nearest 10th. We underlined the 0, which was in the 10th spot, and circled the digit to the right. That digit was a 6, which means pop up the 1 underlined by 1, so it ended up being 5.1. The 6 and the 7, they went on vacation. Miss Benson, do you want to do the next one?
All right, the next one said round to the nearest 100th. So I underlined the 7 because that's in the hundredths place. Circled the digit to the right. And since that was an 8, that tells this guy that he has to go up. And it becomes 1.68.
All right. Sounds like a good job, huh? And then that 8 that circled went on vacation.
Oh,
just saying. Here we've got 1.052 to the nearest 100th, which is that second spot right there is the 100th spot. We circled the digit to the right. That 2 says, leave it alone. Don't do anything with it. So we end up with 1.052 went on vacation. All right? That's how you do it.
That's rounding.
Any questions? Just ask us. All right? Reach out to your teacher. Make sure you understand these basic things so when we get to the more complicated stuff, you'll be golden. See you later, guys.